Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Hedra AI for free. In order to do so, head over to hedra.com. And if you're unfamiliar with Hedra, it is one of the best, if not the best, lip sync options out there. And I've used it. I love it. I highly recommend it. If you are looking to use it for free, well, Hedra offers some free credits that you can use to play around with. It is not completely free, but you do get some credits in order to try it out, and I guarantee you will be happy with the results. Hedra is fantastic. So what we're going to want to do is we can go ahead and sign up. Thinking about it. Well, let's try logging in. Nope, that's not working either. There we go. So we can sign in with Google. So you can sign in with your email if you want, but we'll go ahead and sign in with Google. And with just a couple clicks of the button, we're going to accept the terms of service. And here we have video, image, or audio. So these are things that you can do with Hedra, but the lip sync is primarily going to be in your video section. And here we are ready to go. You're going to enter in your prompt for your character. You're going to add an audio script and the image that you want to create the lip sync for. And over here, you could see that we have 300 credits to start. So you're going to get some free monthly credits. It's 300 credits. And quite honestly, this amounts to about 3 minutes of lip sync, give or take. But so it's not a tremendous amount that you can do with it, but you can get away with a certain amount and the results are generally quite stunning. I highly recommend Hedra. Head over to hedra.com, play around with it for yourself. And if you are interested in upgrading, you can. You can get the basic for $10 a month. That is 1,000 credits. And that's going to be enough for you to play around with and do some stuff. But if you're really serious and you've got a bigger project, then you're probably going to want to go with the creator tier, which is $30 a month. You get 4,000 credits. And yeah, there is just not enough I can say good about Hedra. It really is a fantastic platform. It's one of my favorite AI tools that's out there. I highly recommend it. Check it out for yourself. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. If you are interested in Simply Financial, you're looking for a new online bank, you can get $50 to start with Simply Financial. And if you get started and you refer your friends, you'll get $125. They'll get $50 to start. It is a fantastic online bank. I highly recommend it. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.